This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
So I decided to get in the police chase. Hey, me over, cops here. Oh. 3 times. Record. Bitch, drive! What? What? With the helicopter. That's the helicopter on us. To the news, I said, what's up?
They know that. We know that. She know that. Yeah. What we want? Okay. What's up? How you doing? I'm the man. My name's Doc. I'm 16 doing shows and I rock out like a guitar. He tryna run me in the car. I don't think he gon' make it far. Lab behind the bush, got quiet, boom, and all he heard was fuck. Put up on your block and stirred over, hit and run.
I'm a single ladies. And cut. Go ahead. So you two, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's kind of dark outside. We're waiting on one more person to come. After they come, we finna slide. I'm not going anymore, brother.
2,000 years later. Sometimes you just can't make stuff up. I got behind because I got stuck at a light, and now there's a train reversing on the train tracks. I mean, it's been sitting here for a couple minutes. No. Got them dolls out, y'all boys. Bro, I got stuck, man.
Yeah,
it was a train, bro.
Bro, we was looking, we like, damn, bro, where the fuck is on that?
Bro, there's a whole train sitting there, and he just stopped in the middle of the track. I'm like, you can't make this up. We got the meet. It's chill. The music way too loud. I mean, there's some cars here or whatever. Ain't much content here. So, and it's copyright me. But yeah, I'm gonna just pick back up the camera when we actually get somewhere that we can do something. We'll leave. Everybody acting like they finna follow.
And what it is, we're not supposed to do that. We know that. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. That's it.
They finished shade. Yeah, I was like, why everybody
I thought it hit the shell. Like, oh shit. It didn't hit it? Nah, I thought somebody hit it. Everybody good. Let's go.
Yeah. Alright, y'all boys, y'all here deep. Y'all here deep. I see that. Yeah, that we got them boys out here. We all the way in Kissimmee. Wave Hotel, y'all can see. Pretty cool looking hotel. That's tough, I'm not gonna lie. W architecture. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Unless something else happens, y'all gonna see a black screen say something else happened. I knew it.
Our YouTube, we're at a legal pet right now.
Take that shit off, bro.
Shut up, nigga.
But everything don't gotta be recorded.
You do, bro. That's the
I'm
whole
about to
purpose
spend
of
in
this.
Orlando, Florida. I'm in If you put this shit in the video, I'ma kill you. Now what? I took it there.
Really, nigga?
My license plate is I'm an orange Sentra. If you want my VIN number, I will give it to you. VIN number is N1AB.
You really thought I was about to let you get my VIN?
Let me give y'all my real VIN number.
Watch out, bro.
So my VIN number is ABC Port Porsche.
Cut that shit out, nigga.
That lyrics book. Calm down, Kobe. Go deeper, bro. Everybody's found the gentleman. Not gonna let
Yes, sir.
Yeah. He gonna spin that shit. What? Bryce don't even know it.
A few moments later.
That nigga Devin spinning that shit. What the fuck? That nigga Devin has the wheel. What? You a certified spinner, buddy.
Jack points is, right? Huh? You know what your jack points is, right? Jack points. What do you mean by that? Oh, my God.
Stop making noise, bro.
Let's go. Who the fuck is that nigga?
He a troll, bro. Oh, it's Danny, bro. I knew it. I knew it. Alright, bro, they finna run it, bro. Lil Tune RS versus.
I got my money on the V6 cam. But when you see this, my money was on you.
All three of them racing?
Heck yeah. I think Danny hopped in that van.
tuition, nigga. Bro, nigga, my whole shoe came off, bro.
What the fuck, bro? I'm recording, bro. I can't make this up, bro. Look.
How the fuck are you recording?
What the fuck? Holy shit. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh.
Jam that nigga. Shank, that's the wrong fucking way to go.
I don't give a fuck. Niggas gonna have to catch me. Shit. Alright, y'all, this is the most fast spot we've been to. We literally just got our cars running right now, y'all.
We're literally at the side of a street, so wheel.
But we got our spots to get out, so should be straight.
no time wasted, bro. No time wasted, bro.
Here come the cops, guys.
Get it back over.
Where they at?
I'm trying to see if that's them. They would have popped the curve. Hey, son.
Well, guys, this is what it looks like when people come to a meeting and the cops come. All right, bet. No, that's crazy.
Socks up, though?
Yes. Look, Daniel made a U-turn. He coming. Record.
Bitch, drive! Fuck! This nigga, he'd never drive!
Oh!
Yes, man, fuck! We missed the exit!
Just like that, the meet ends, bro. About 2-3 minutes. 2-3 minutes. It was grits. Just like that, cops came. It was on the side of the road. That was like the 4th spot for tonight. Keep that in mind. So it's like, show them the time, 3 a.m. Little Tony activities, bro.
cops here. Oh, record. Y'all see it? And they got a copper on us. I'm gonna record real quick. Hold on. Helicopter on us right now, bro. And 3, 2, 1. Time to run. And 3, 2, 1. I'm now running from the cops live on helicopter. Alright, y'all. I'm here before the whole gang's here. I'm gonna just show y'all. That's the helicopter on us. They brought a helicopter on us out for this takeover, bro. Here we go. Look at that engine. That's a cop. Oh wait, this is now a takeover. And they got the chopper out. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hey, bro. Let's ride, brother. Let's ride. All right, y'all. Takeover over. I don't think y'all see me for the night, but I ain't even show my face yet. But it was some chill. We all started doing burnouts as y'all seen. And he brought the chopper out. That nigga circling us right now. Tell the news I said what's up. Tell them boys I said what's up. You can add me. Yeah. I'm going to lewd like the other 100 cars because it's a very legal event. And as y'all see, those are cop lights. Yes, sir. Look at that nigga. Boo-hoo, baby. All right, y'all, we at the second spot right now. This is about, I would say, 200 cars deep. Easily. Look at the amount of cars. Y'all can count. And then the pits over there. This is all legal, of course. We got the boys out. Even cars lying down there. Cars lying on there. But yeah, I'm going to turn the camera on. If you know, they say it gets too out of hand. And some boys come to try to stop us. But we should be straight, hopefully. We'll see how to turn out, though. Catch our boys in the next clip.
A few minutes later.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Y'all boys see it, bro? Y'all boys see it? Alright, bet, let's do it. Oh, shit! See, bro, this our life, bro. You can't make this up, bro. Hey, cat. Hey, cat, what? Alright, y'all, I think one of us just got pulled over. I'm actually blown because someone hit my car when I was cutting up. I thought it was this nigga over here. I thought it was his ad in the Accord, but it was a whole nother Accord. I didn't hit my I'm finna show y'all the damage. But you can't catch a break, bro. One of us get hit every week, bro. It's so weekly, bro. Y'all see it. Y'all see the white. This was here before. This nigga added this. He added this. Whatever this white is. Whatever this little white is. I think some of it can come off when I spray it. This nigga took a whole strip of my paint out. Oh my gosh. But no, I think it's straight. It is what it is, bro. Besides that bit, we straight, I guess. But yeah, no. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see next. If y'all want to see more videos like these, they do come with the cost. I'm not gonna lie. Every time, something always happens to somebody in the group, so it definitely do come at a cost. But leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch your boys next video. Peace.
Y'all see, I think I got this.